Today I'm here with Trevor Torzsas, Managing Director of CIBC FirstCaribbean, to congratulate him on winning International Finance's 2018 Best Digital Offering Internet and Mobile Banking and Best Cards Portfolio in the Caribbean.
Adam, very excited to be here on behalf of CIBC FirstCaribbean. Our team has been working very hard over the years to ensure that we are a client-centric bank and that we provide a modern digital banking experience to our customers.
Fantastic. So you won 2 awards back in 2017 for International Finance, Best New Mobile Banking App and Best Credit Card Offerings. What would you have to say about CIBC FirstCaribbean unique offerings to the region's customers?
Very proud of our team at CIBC FirstCaribbean in achieving these awards. It was a lot of hard work. And the way that we do it at CIBC FirstCaribbean is we put our clients at the center of everything we do. So everything from a credit card portfolio to a mobile banking app, we talk to our clients, we understand our clients and who they are and what they need to offer a modern digital banking experience.
Yeah. So Trevor, can you tell us a bit more about your credit, Visa debit card offerings, maybe your mobile application? I think you brought a new one, 2.1 out, security features, anything like that you can elaborate on further?
Well, I'll start with the card portfolio. We offer, as a bank that services 17 countries in the Caribbean, we offer a very diverse card portfolio to our clientele. We have everything from a cashback, no-fee credit card that we offer, an easy read card in the region, the first of its kind in the 17 countries we operate in, all the way up to our platinum offerings that provide travel points, and our infinite card, which is geared towards our high net worth clients. In addition to that, we have a Visa debit and Visa credit offering for business clients, our BizLine offering, which is the only one of its kind in the region. And this offers small business clients to have both credit and Visa debit cards to perform their daily banking.
So you're about to launch into your new updated mobile banking app. Can you explain a little bit further into those?
Yes, so we first won the award for our mobile banking app back in 2017. We launched that banking app in May 2016, and since then we've put out 8 iterations of the app, and we continuously develop the app through feedback with our clients. Again, going back to our client-centric approach to developing technology at our firm. We go out, we talk to our clients, we have focus groups to understand what do they need from us. And in doing so, we've added features like fingerprint technology in iOS, the facial recognition. We've put in gamification, so our clients like to keep track of the points they earn on their credit cards, and so in the app they can see their points tick up from day to day. So it keeps them engaged to the technology, as well as providing the day-to-day transactions that they need to do, transfers, bill payments, etc. But the most recent iterations of the mobile banking app are focused on security.
Sure.
Yeah, and as you know, security in banking is of utmost importance. It always makes the headlines.
Yep.
And so our clients, in talking to them, they want to feel safe in transacting electronically. So we've built in everything from alerts on your card spend, so it pops up in your app, on your mobile phone. Everybody has a smartphone these days, so the transactions pop up on their app. It says if you didn't perform this transaction, please contact our 24-hour call center. It also has features like Freeze My Card, where if you misplace your card, if many times people, have it in a different, a lady has it in a different purse or a different jacket pocket, etc. You don't know where it is. You simply go onto your app, freeze your card, That's all you have to do. No one can use it. Later you find it again, you reactivate your card. No calling the bank, trying to get them to place it on hold or reissue it, because most often we find people just misplace it.
That's a great feature.
Yes. And other features like mobile location controls that know your smartphone knows where you are, and then it can say, okay, is the card being used in the same place? So no need to call up your bank and say, I'm traveling to London, I'm traveling to the US, etc. Your phone already knows you're there, so that that transaction will go through. So again, geared towards convenience, but again, making sure there's security involved in that. And other features that are not just best in class in the Caribbean, but are industry leading, like transaction controls. So we have features that allow you to go onto the app and for example, say, do not allow e-commerce transactions, online transactions, and you can just shut them off if you don't shop online. And if you do, you can go back on the app and instantaneously turn it back on. All right, so very, again, how do you make it convenient? How do you keep it safe?
That's a very tricky question and a lot of balls to juggle, I reckon.
Yes, so you know, going back to the teams that develop the applications, the internet, the mobile banking for CIBC FirstCaribbean, our technology teams spend a lot of time interfacing with clients, not just developing what is new and interesting and fun, which you know, you can often chase the shiny new red object in technology, right? But what they spend a lot of time doing is engaging the clients, making sure that what we develop is what our clients need.
Okay, so for CIBC FirstCaribbean, how do you get convenience and security to coalesce for your customers?
Well, it's an interesting question. It's one that we always struggle with. But what we do is we say, okay, what is going to make it easier for a customer? And we'll take the example of contactless payments. And so a client can go and just tap their card. Obviously, that makes it easier. It makes it easier for our individual clients. It makes it easier for merchants to have a nice, fluid, frictionless transaction. But you can only do that when you have EMV chip in place. And so in the Caribbean, we were the first regional bank to put EMV chip and contactless throughout all of our card portfolio in the 17 countries we operate in. So it's a way of us saying, can we be convenient and easy to use, and at the same time provide the security and peace of mind that people want on transactions.
How has it been taken up by your customers? Has there been a strong response, and what sort of applications are they using it for? Are they looking just online at their statements? Are they making payments? Please explain that.
Glad you asked. The uptake has been you know, beyond our wildest dreams, I guess. It's just the other month we were looking at our statistics, and we're up 50% year over year in active users, and up 260% on overall transactions done on the mobile app. So the uptake has been very, very good. And you know, we've been marketing and telling our story in the Caribbean quite actively, and with our best-in-class offering in the region, we find that clients are coming to us. New clients are coming to us because they've heard of what we offer, and not just the features, but the security that we offer. And you know, to your question on what are clients using it for, we find that increasingly clients want to self-serve on the easy, simple transactions. And although we have a branch offering where they can come in and see us, we have a 24/7 call center that they can call into, the client wants to do some of their transactions themselves. So whether it's checking their statements, very simple, but they can do that. They can go on and pay their bills, which is nice and easy for them, instantaneous. While they're sitting at an airport, they're having lunch, etc. They're transferring money to friends. So rather than taking cash when they go out to have lunch, and they pay for lunch, they may transfer funds to their friend to pay for half of their lunch. So very common everyday things, again going back, making banking fit the life of the client. And this is important because what we want to do is have our branch, the branch which is still very important to the bank, be a place for a relationship, for our people to understand and engage the client in what they need in a financial institution, whether it's a mortgage, a car loan, saving for their kids' education, etc.
Trevor, you mentioned that you're relaunching or coming up with a new mobile internet product. Could you give us a little bit of a preview of what it's going to be like?
Happy to do so. We're just in the process of launching our new internet and mobile banking platforms. And in this new release, we will be providing OTVC to our clients, to our personal clients, so that they can simply and securely do internet banking wires. So just those codes, the one-time verification codes that you would get on a Google or a Yahoo, etc., that come across your phone, it's a secure code that comes over that you use to send the wire. And again, we're going to what our clients have been asking for: provide security, provide peace of mind when they're doing their financial transactions. So we're going to provide that. We're going to do that in our internet release. And we're going to also provide more transaction controls for our clients. So I can't say too much about that now, but we want to put fraud control in the hands of the client. So further segmentation or granularity on which type of transactions you allow and don't allow on your credit card, you can set that on your mobile device. So we'll continue along that road of putting fraud control and fraud protection in the hands of the clients. And as we release these, what is very important is we go out and talk to the customers. We ask them about not just what about the current versions that we release do they like and not like, but what do they want to see from us as a banking institution next? So we are truly living our banking that fits the lives of our clients, our tagline, and going out to them and understanding how do we deliver a modern digital experience to the customer.
So, for CIBC FirstCaribbean, what would you find as the biggest challenges facing the banking industry operating in the Caribbean?
Well, for us as a bank, it's particularly challenging. As I mentioned, we offer banking in 17 different jurisdictions in the Caribbean, all of which are very unique. And although we provide an overarching banking offering to clients in each of these countries, we have to understand the different cultures of these different countries and what works with those different cultures. So we have an overarching banking offering that we provide and tailored to the needs of the individual countries that we operate in.
So Trevor, we touched upon your award-winning card products for CIBC FirstCaribbean. In your opinion, what makes...
Well, we talked a little bit about easy to use and convenient and secure against fraud. So that's one part of the equation in a card product. And I talked about how our team has done very well at that on being the only chip, pin, tap product across the 17 countries we operate in, having the industry-leading anti-fraud features in the region. So that's one part of the offering. But as you know, customers these days want points. There's a points craze in the world, and we've really understood our clients and what do they want in points. So you have some clients that want a simple don't have to think about it cashback offering, right? So we have a no-fee cashback credit card that caters to that segment of the population. Nice and simple to use. You get your 1% cash back every quarter, and that is one of the fastest growing products in our portfolio right now. And then you have other customers who want, for example, airline points, specific ones. They may travel to London regularly, so we have a BA co-brand card that is also very popular with our customers who frequent London and Europe overall, and so they can gain their points and save up for them to do those trips. Then you have customers that want a very general card, so a Visa Platinum offering that offers travel rewards, whether it's flights, whether it's hotels, etc. And that card, our Visa Platinum card, has no blackout periods. Many of our competitors have cards like that, but they have blackout periods when you can buy the flights. Ours have none. And also, our card pays for the whole flight. You don't get that annoying charge afterwards that it's free but not really. And so when you get that free flight, it pays for the whole flight, the taxes and everything else. So that really resonates with our customers as well. And that's on the individual side. We also have a business offering, our BizLine offering for Visa debit and credit, which offers a very convenient, safe product to the customer. And it offers a simple 1% cash back on the BizLine. So that's a lot of CFOs of companies are looking for savings each and every day. That's a simple way to get 1% straight to the bottom line. So that works very well. And I'd be remiss if I didn't talk about our high-end card for our private wealth group. We have an Infinite card that has a priority pass attached to it, which services those high net worth clients. And they're looking for, again, a little bit of a different offering that provides them a little bit more.
So Trevor, we touched upon the explosive uptake of the mobile application recently. Do you expect that to continue? And if so, how and why?
We do. It has been very strong growth and beyond our expectations so far. But the reason we expect it to grow is twofold. And one is that the quality of the telecommunications infrastructure in the Caribbean has improved significantly over the last few years. And as a result, you've seen the cost of data come down. You've seen the number of smartphones in the marketplace grow exponentially. And that makes it possible for our clients to use the mobile app. Our job was then to say, okay, we've got the right environment to grow in, and how do we make people comfortable to use their mobile and internet banking more and more for transactions. And all the anti-fraud features that we talked about will continue to draw clients into self-service. So in short, we expect the explosive growth to continue and move more and more of the over-the-counter transactions into self-service. And again, it's great because that frees up our relationship managers within our branch network to build relationships, understand their clients, and grow our bank in the region.
Can you describe how CIBC FirstCaribbean supports the University of the West Indies?
Well, for our firm, CIBC FirstCaribbean, it's important that we play a bigger role in the Caribbean than just a bank. And one of the ways we do this is we partner with the University of the West Indies on a co-branded credit card that donates to the university a percentage of every dollar spent on that card. So the University of the West Indies is the most well-known higher learning institution in the Caribbean, and we're very proud that we can support this organization.
That's fantastic. International Finance Magazine, thank you so much for coming over to London, taking your time out on your busy schedule. It's been a great pleasure to welcome you here. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.